Hi guys! So we've been doing online distance learning for our kids, and for us we do online meetings, and internet is very important, right? So we solely rely on it now, and we've been having poor connection lately. So what we did is we have this Google Wi-Fi. Let's see if our internet connection will improve, okay? So this is our Wi-Fi home system by Google. As you can see, this is how it works. So first, Google Wi-Fi point connects to your modem, place additional points throughout your home, and use Google Wi-Fi app to set up control. How many Google Wi-Fi points do you need? So for us, we need 3 Wi-Fi points. So that's what we got right now. Okay? So this is what's inside. There you go. I have 3 of this one, which we're going to put inside the house. This is what's inside the box. Okay? So before we install our Google Wi-Fi, let's check our internet speed. I downloaded the speed test app for us to know. And there you go, that's our internet speed. Now let's install our Google Wi-Fi. So first, we connect it. It's connected. And then we plug this in later. But first, let's connect this one. There you go. And connect this to our router. So there. Okay. Now let's plug this in. Once I plugged it in, this is what it looks like now. So now let's get started. So I downloaded the app, and now we're searching for a Wi-Fi point which they finally connected to. Scan the QR code. Point the camera at the QR code, the base of your Google Wi-Fi. This will connect you to the phone. Okay. Now let's scan the code. Okay. Got the code. And then this will connect you to your Wi-Fi point. Where is your Wi-Fi point? So let's put it in our family room. Next. Okay. Wi-Fi network name. Let's name it Dela Cruz. I'll put my password. So now Google Wi-Fi is powered by cloud services. Let's turn it on. Wi-Fi point added. Okay. Making sure that everything is in order. Okay, connected to the Cruz family. So now that we're done, let's speed test, okay? So that's the result. Finally, we've installed the Google Wi-Fi, one at the entertainment room, living room, and master's bedroom. So hopefully this will be better, because we tried already extenders but it didn't work for us. And we're going to have our Zoom workout later, so let's see. I hope the connection's better and we don't get cut. Okay? Bye!